Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead and beyond. And we begin the work week today with lots of sunshine. You can see a crystal clear sky on this Monday afternoon in Shreveport. Some changes are on the way, however, as we have seen warmer temperatures yesterday and today, and that warming trend is going to continue until a cold front, which is going to be approaching from the northwest, moves through late Wednesday. You can see from Tuesday evening through Wednesday, we'll see that frontal system approach the area, and as it moves through, we will see the likelihood of some thunderstorms, especially over the southeastern half of the Arklatex, and severe weather will be on the table. We'll talk about those possibilities here in a second. Meantime, quick look at Robbins Toyota Futurecast. As we take you through the next few days here, you can see that tonight we will stay clear and with a south wind, not quite as cold as we've been here over the last couple of nights, as you'll see in a second. Meantime, tomorrow we'll see the mix of clouds, sunshine, and a gusty south wind, and that south wind will combine with the sunshine to warm temperatures up close to 70 across much of the area. Clouds will be on the increase as we move through tomorrow night, as that south to southwesterly wind will continue. You can see the cold front and the wind shift associated with it off to our north and west early Wednesday morning, and you can see the progress of that front as it moves into the area. We'll see those thunderstorms increase during the latter stages of Wednesday along the front, and you can see Futurecast indicating some pretty good intensity with some of these thunderstorms, indicating that severe weather will be on the table. The Storm Prediction Center does indicate that we have, as of right now, a marginal risk. I would not be shocked to see some yellow on this map tomorrow for Wednesday. The reason why I say that is we look at the various impacts that we could see that Futurecast is indicating. It does show that as the storms increase late Wednesday afternoon into the evening hours, that we will see the possibility for some hail across the region that probably will be most widespread very late Wednesday afternoon and evening over the southeast half of the area. You can see the model also does indicate that conditions in the atmosphere could be conducive to seeing a few rotating storms, especially over the southeast half of the area. You can see the areas of yellow here. That's in where the model basically is showing where that threat could be highest. So basically it does look like southeast quarter of the Arklatex is where, if we have anything as far as tornado issues, that would be the location that it could occur. Now keep in mind, if the front slows down, then all this shifts to the north and west. So we're still a couple days out, so we'll be watching the timing of that cold front very, very closely. As far as rainfall potential, feast or famine. If you live in the northwest, say edge of the area, probably not much at all, less than a tenth. If you live in the southeast part of the region, deep east Texas, northwest Louisiana, south of I-20, you could be looking at a good half an inch to an inch and a half of the way things check out with some of those stronger thunderstorms. And this graphic also can give you some sort of indication as to where the storms will be strongest. Obviously, a stronger thunderstorm will dump a little bit more as far as rain. So again, as I mentioned earlier, south of I-20, especially in northwest Louisiana, is where we could have a few strong to severe thunderstorms Wednesday afternoon and evening. Longer range, we're still going to have to watch this weekend as we put this in the motion during the next 10 days. You can see the first of all, the arrival of the cold front Wednesday. That'll push on off towards the east. We'll take a bit of a break. This is the model which yesterday did show a possibility for some wintry precipitation this weekend. It has backed off and is now keeping that to our south. All other models keeping us dry here heading through the weekend, and then we'll take a break, and more than likely we'll have to wait until sometime in the middle of next week to see maybe a slight chance for some rainfall. So your forecast for tonight looks like this. We will see temperatures across the Arklatex that will be rather cold, but not as cold as last night. Under a mostly clear sky, look for lows in the 30s all across the area. 39 in both Shreveport and Texarkana tonight. Tomorrow, looking partly cloudy. It'll be windy and warmer. We'll see highs ranging from the mid to upper 60s north to the low 70s south. 71 tomorrow in Shreveport, 73 in Marshall, 69 degrees for the daytime high in Texarkana. At this time of year, we should be in the upper 50s, so temperatures tomorrow 10 degrees plus above normal for this time of year. We get even warmer ahead of that cold front Wednesday, as highs will climb into the low to middle 70s Wednesday afternoon after a low Wednesday morning in the mid to upper 50s. Behind the front, dramatic cool down 40s, low 40s for highs Thursday with a mostly cloudy sky. We will see some of the coldest air of the season Friday night as we'll dip into the low to middle 20s across most of the area. A little bit of a warm up heading into the first of next week with another, right now looking slight chance of rain by next Tuesday. So again, warmer the theme for the next few days with a possibility for some strong to severe thunderstorms as we look ahead to Wednesday.